In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row in Google Sheets for a new Google Drive folder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by accessing Google Drive. So, head over to your Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, enter your account details to gain access. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders displayed right there. Next, locate the specific folder you want to track or associate with your spreadsheet. This could be a project folder, a collaboration space, or just something you need to keep an eye on. Take your time to scroll through your folders. If you have many, you might want to use the search bar at the top, which will make finding your desired folder quick and easy. Now that you've got your folder, let's move on to the Google Sheet where you want to record all this data. If you already have a spreadsheet open, great. But if you haven't started one yet, click on New, and then select Google Sheets to create an empty spreadsheet. Once it's open, you're ready to start adding rows as needed. Here's where it gets interesting. With the spreadsheet open, look up at the top toolbar and you'll find an option called Insert. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options. Now you'll want to navigate to the Rows option within that drop-down. This is where things get specific. Hover your mouse over Rows, and you'll see options to insert a row, either above or below the currently selected cell. Think about where you want to add the new entry. If you want it to be the first new entry above your current data, select Insert one row above. If you prefer it to come after your data, choose Insert one row below. After making your selection, a new row will instantly appear in your spreadsheet. This is your chance to keep track of essential details about your folder. Click on the first cell of the newly created row and start typing in all relevant information. You can include the folder's name, the creation date, or any specific tracking information you feel is necessary to maintain. Remember, keeping your information organized in this manner can save you a lot of time when you need to refer back to it later. It's a straightforward process that can improve your productivity and help you manage your tasks better. So, there you go. You've successfully added a new row in Google Sheets for your new Google Drive folder. Remember to save your work regularly and feel free to add additional rows as needed for any new folders you create in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring all the features Google Sheets has to offer, and happy organizing.